a copy of the same is here, Your Worship. Then also from defense. Especially when the matter is of public interest. This is a matter of public interest. The treatment given to matters of public interest is different from other matters. And where court finds that a matter is of public interest, then Your Worship, Justice Margaret Chibulia, emphasized in business applications number 045, 046, and 047 of 2015 on page 10 of that ruling. Where she emphasized that in considering and one of the needs of society is protecting them from lawlessness. From lawlessness. In this matter, much as the applicant is innocent until proven guilty, as prosecution, this matter is of public interest. And the only way the public interest can be protected is by keeping the applicant in custody until the matter is complete. By keeping the applicant in custody until the matter is complete. The applicant attacked very important persons in this country, that even his life is insecure. And actually being in custody is for his own benefit. Being in custody is for his own benefit. In fact, if I were him, I wouldn't even mention the word application for benefit. First of all, I have the court of history. Of course, you are saying that he's safer in prison. He's safer in prison. And it's not only speculative, but I will refer you to paragraph of the affidavit. From our investigation, Your Worship, is that there were clear signs that if the public just told hold of the applicant, they would be dissected into pieces. So it is safer in custody.
I would like to object to that.
These are investigations. You cannot submit. Your Worship, Luzira submission therefore that the applicant is safer in custody. Besides, it is the applicant is an administrator of pressure of Twitter account or the pressure 24/7. He's the administrator of that account. The charges pressure at pressure 24/7. At pressure slice 24/7. I find paragraph 11 of the affidavit. I will find paragraph 11 of the affidavit. The TikTok. Yes, TikTok. Yeah. Yes. What is the implication is that once it gets out of custody, the possibility of him deleting and interfering with the investigations are so high. And yet this TikTok account is a source of investigation. George, I'm not an expert, but once you're an administrator, then you're capable of doing anything on that account, which you is. He said, that's it, George. You're saying that was investigation? Yes, exactly. In conclusion, George, I just want to contribute with the code of social preparation. It is that prayer that you find the activity is presented, not substantial. I just want to highlight something small before I talk about the submission which my brother brought today. When the applicant appears